making a Minecraft server. So I instantly thought, how do I grief his whole thing and ruin everything he's come to know and love? It just so happens, Tofu follows me on Twitter, I think. So, hey, can you shut up while I make this video? Old man with your old man hair. Okay, it looks kind of good, but... Alright, so how can I do this? Alright, so I want to connect to his server. Alright, let me join this. Take me to Tofu. Why is it everything is so pixelated? Why is there so much stuff in my face? I never played Minecraft, mainly because Minecraft, sucks owned. Guys, I'm a YouTuber. Please take me to Tofu. Let me help. Let me help. I have a verified check mark next to my name. Meet my demands now. Let me help or I'm going to report you.
We are praying that we get a lot of blocks here. Preferably cobble.
You're praying for blocks?
Alerta sísmica. 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 Alerta sísmica.